Today we are heading to Vardzia, which is a huge cave complex built in the 12th century. Originally when it was built it had about 13 floors, 6,000 rooms. A lot of it's been destroyed in an earthquake about 100 years after it was built. But there's still a lot there, so we're going to go and explore and see the ancient ruins.
Before that, we have to leave the vineyard we've been staying at for a couple of days, drinking wine continuously, and go up a very mountainous road for about maybe half an hour. Let's go. Nope, wrong side. Apparently we've arrived.
They're supposed to be hidden.
We supposedly arrived, according to the sat-nav, so the car's just there. It's looking like we're gonna have to cross this river, then go up this trail here. I don't think that's the right way, so I think we're gonna go back down the road where we've just come from and swing a left. We just found a sign for Vardzia right in front of us. So we got lost again. We're currently, we don't know, and Google Maps doesn't know either. It's one of the few times I've been on Google Maps and it actually has no idea that there's a road here, or a school just down there. So we're just gonna turn back and have another look, but we're running really low on petrol.
We pulled over to try and see if we can find where we go in, and a minibus driver pulled up next to us and offered to, well, try to help us with the directions. So we're just following him now. He seemed like he knew the way. So we're heading the way that the guy in the minivan told us to go. We're pretty much put on our sat-nav to where we're staying tonight, which is about 4 hours away from here. We're just going to keep an eye out for signs, because this is the way the lady said when we stopped that we should be heading. So we might see some signs, we might not, we never know. But we don't have any internet or any data or anything to check it, so we're just going to keep an eye out.
Cross our fingers.
We'll see.
Update on trying to get to Vardzia. We are maybe 2 hours into this journey now. We have 3 hours to go and we still haven't seen it. I don't think we're gonna see it. But currently we're just walking across one of these cool bridges that they've got everywhere around Georgia, and it's moving a lot.
They're quite bouncy.
Yeah. On the other side of the bridge is this. So you got your train line. So now we know where they go. Look at these grapes. Everywhere around Georgia they grow their own vegetables, like everywhere. Like you've got tomatoes over here, obviously damsons down there. We've just been on a winery which didn't just do wine, they do everything. They really provide for themselves here, which is quite good because the supermarket prices at the moment are really expensive. And I think it has something to do with the Russians coming across the border. All the prices are inflating. So we may not go to Vardzia, but at least we've seen what this bridge leads to. Bloody hell.
So lovely.
The plan is to get back in the car and look for Vardzia. Bit dark tourism here, but we've been seeing this everywhere we go. everywhere we go. Some sort of halal, and then always close by there's a little sheep. Oh, you're right, mate. Have we got anything to give him?
Crisps?
Yeah, they're lamb flavoured crisps, so we're not going to give them that. It's now 5 o'clock in the evening and we still haven't come across Vardzia, but we did see a sign for it, maybe about 60 kilometers back, so it could be down here. We're still going towards the accommodation, so that would be funny if it was actually next to the accommodation. We've just stopped off near the river and it couldn't have changed more from where we were. There's a car up there. It's really cold. So yeah, we don't know what river this is called. Shall we find out? Yeah, this is River Cave. Oh, so I think the plan is to keep looking for Vardzia and keep heading towards the accommodation. It's about an hour and a half away from here now, but we're just going to chill out here for a little bit. You've got us hiding behind a car because it's really windy. We, maybe about an hour away from accommodation, just saw a sign, or Chloe saw a sign saying
Vardzia.
Yeah, 16 kilometers away.
Yeah.
Quickly turned around, went down the road, and here you have it. So we could go up there, but there's a long trail going up, and I'm thinking it's going to be getting dark soon. The sun's already nearly set, so instead of rushing up there and parking and maybe not even getting an admission, we're going to sit down here, we're going to heat up some dinner and then have a sort of dinner with a view and enjoy it while the sun goes down.
We made it though, at least.
Yeah, I didn't think we were going to come through with this. This was going to be a video in my head, like epic fail, Vardzia, cross. But actually we got here, so I'm happy. Hey. Mit cavalry. No. That's it.
Mit cavalry?